Hello, I am Dr. Sujata Kasabe from ABASAHEB GARWARE College, Pune. In this video, we will see biopolymer effect. The thermodynamic stability of metal center in a biological environment is determined not only by the inherent preferences of metal for a particular oxidation state, ligand donor state, and coordination geometry, but also by the ability of the biopolymer to control through its three-dimensional structure, the stereochemistry, and ligands available for the coordination. Non-coordinating residues also contributes as hydrophilicity or hydrophobicity, steric blockage of coordination and hydrogen bonding groups that interact with bonded and non-bonded atoms in the coordination sphere of metal to increase or reduce stability. Nucleic acid and protein chains can fold orienting amino acid residue donor to provide virtually any desired stereochemistry at a metal center and act as effective chelate ligands. For example, the zinc binding site in superoxide dismutase, the zinc coordinating environment at this site is so favorable that the metal-free protein, that is apoprotein, can remove traces of zinc from phosphate buffer on dialysis.